given the set A, which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the set B, which has elements 0, 3, 6. In this video, I'm going to find A union B, A intersection B, the difference of A and B, the symmetric difference of A and B, and the cardinality of the set A. So to do that, I'll go to my live editor here. Then I press the return key. Then I'll go to task. Because I'll run these set operations using Python code. So I'll click where it says Python code here. So click here so that I enter my Python code. And the first thing there, we have to enter those sets. So we have the set A is equals to, then open braces, and the set A has elements 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and 5. Then press the return key, then go on to the B is equals to, open braces, it has elements 0, 3, and 6. Close the braces, press the return key. So I can just run just to check the sets that I've entered. And we have A there is the set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is the set with elements 0, 3, 6. I will now go on to answering the first question, the union of A and B. So for the union of A and B, I'll call this set S1. So my S1 for the union, the syntax that we use is A, then we put a vertical bar. So vertical bar, then B. This syntax here will give us the union of A and B. I can just run. And we have the result there. Our S1 is the set with elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the union is elements which are in A or B. So these are the elements there. Then I go on to the next one. We now need the intersection of A and B. So I'll call it set 2 is equals to A. Then for the intersection, we just type in this end. So A and B. Then I can go on and run. And we have our S2 there, which is representing the intersection of A and B is the set with element 3. This is the element which is common in set A and B. I'll go on to answering the next question, and I'll call that S3. Set number 3 for set difference. For set difference is just A minus B. It gives us the set difference there for those two sets, and for set difference we are having there is 1, 2, 4, 5. Then we go on to the next one, the fourth one. We are now looking at symmetric difference, so I'll call it S4 is equals to. For symmetric difference, I'll type in my set, then put the caret, this one here, and we have B. So that's the syntax for the symmetric difference of A and B. We use a caret there. So I go on and run. So we are having our S4 is the set with elements 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. If you still recall, for symmetric difference, we are looking at elements in the set A or B, but not in both. I now go on to the last question, the cardinality of the set A. So I'll call this S5. So we have S5, and the syntax for the cardinality is LEN. Then open parenthesis, put the set that we want to find this cardinality, so it's LEN of A, close parenthesis. Then I go on and run. So I'll look for the solution, the S5 there. The S5 is saying its solution there is a 5. We are having that the set A is 5 elements. Its cardinality is 5. So those are just some basic set operations inside MATLAB when we are using Python code.